Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. Today, we are going to make Snickers bar soaked oats. So guys, I don't know about you, but before I went plant-based, I used to love Snickers bars. The chocolate, the roasted peanut butter, the nougat middle, so good. But I haven't had one since, and I've figured out how to make oatmeal or soaked oats with the Snickers bar flavor. So if you're struggling to get your little ones to eat breakfast and eat oatmeal, this is going to do the trick. Or if you have a little bit of a sweet tooth, this is going to blow your mind. It's so good. So what we're going to start with is our almond meal. So I have 1 cup of almond milk. I said almond meal. Almond milk. This is an unsweetened almond milk because we're going to get our sweetness from dates instead of refined sugar. So this doesn't have any refined sugar in it. So your blood sugar is going to be stable. So we're going to add our dates to the milk because we're going to grind them up. So this is 4 Deglette dates, but if you have Medjool dates, just use 2. But that really is your preference on how sweet you make it. And once you make it one time, then you'll know how sweet or not sweet you want it to be. So we're just going to blend this up until there aren't any date chunks left. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share with you some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is a crowd-funded show, which means our content is made possible by the generous patronage of our paid membership community, who share our common goal to teach the world how to easily and permanently switch to a plant-based diet. My husband and I create these free weekly cooking shows to share all of the delicious recipes that we use every day in our own family kitchen. Our recipes are now used by hundreds of thousands of viewers every month from all over the world. Our paid memberships offer additional perks like access to our ebooks and in-depth courses, including our 28 Days Plant-Based Made Easy course, where we offer a step-by-step guide to making the switch to a fully plant-based diet. With meal plans, shopping guides, daily learning materials, and over 65 of our favorite recipes. If you love our content and find it's helping you to live your best plant-based life, please join us on our mission to share this life-changing message with the world and become a supporting member today by following the link in the description. It is the continued growth of our supporting member community that makes this show possible. Okay, let's get back to the show. Okay, there's that. Now we're going to just use that same cup. You need to have a cup that you can put, or a container that you can put in the refrigerator with a lid on it. So these happen to be just mason jar cups. So I have 1/2 cup of rolled oats, because we're making soaked overnight oats, and the rolled oats are really great for that. And this is 2 tablespoons of flax meal, and that's where you're getting your wonderful omega-3s without even knowing that you're doing it. You're never going to taste that flax meal in there. And it's going to help this thicken up more like oatmeal. Then 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and that's really just your preference. This is just the one we have in the cabinet. And we're just going to lightly stir that up just to get that stuff mixed together a little bit. Okay, and now we're going to pour in our milk mixture. Get all those chunks out of there. And then we're going to put just 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, I'm going to stir it up really good. And you could even throw some chia seeds in there if you want, but the flax meal really has you covered with your daily amount of omega-3s. Okay, so you're just going to get that mixed up well. And then you're going to put your lid on and put it in the refrigerator for overnight. And you know, after a little while, you could just get it out, shake it a little bit or stir it a little bit, but that's going to be ready for you in the morning. So I happen to have one already prepped that I put in last night. It's ready to go. All we have to do is add some roasted peanuts on here. These are roasted unsalted peanuts, but you can use salted if you want, that's fine. So I'm gonna grab me a bowl and I'll meet you at the table. Okay, time for my favorite part. So I got this out of the refrigerator from last night. Just gonna pour some in here. Sprinkle some peanuts on there. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Rich, creamy, and with the roasted peanuts on top. Perfect. You are gonna love it. So be sure to like this video, and I'll see you next time.